Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a review of the Nike Element React 87. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas ZX500RM in size 10. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then follow me on Instagram, as well as hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. And I am, by the way, also doing a massive 10,000 peso outlet shopping trip giveaway. Well, it's more of a contest than a giveaway. Link down below for the mechanics. Check it out. This is the Nike React Element 87, and this is considered by a lot of people to be the 2018 sneaker of the year. Now, I beg to differ. I don't think that's the case. And I'll get to that maybe in a separate video. Now, this, again, like I mentioned, was so hyped that the resale prices for the OG model spiked. But the prices did come down as Nike released more colorways like this one. This particular pair was released in the Philippines by Commonwealth as well as Soul Academy. I was able to cop this pair from Commonwealth over at their new branch in Rockwell Power Plant Mall. What's so special about this sneaker? I think it's two things. Number one, it's the hype. Because there was just so much hype on this shoe. As in, people were talking about it nonstop. Vloggers and YouTubers were just featuring it left and right. Websites and sneaker sites were just, buzzing about this sneaker. And there was just so much noise and hype over this pair, which I think just drove the desirability and the anticipation and the excitement for the eventual drop. Now, here we have the sneaker. I have it on hand and I was able to try it on feet, and I can say that probably the next thing apart from the hype is really the comfort. This is one of the most comfortable everyday lifestyle beaters that you guys can get today. Now, it is so comfortable because of the React midsole that you guys see here, that thick React midsole, which is far more thicker than the React that you get with the Epic React Flyknit or the previous React sneakers that Nike released. Not just here in the Philippines, but around the world. So it's the combination of the hype, the React technology, and maybe obviously the design and the styling of the sneaker because of that modern deconstructed vibe that it has that really made it so, desirable. Speaking of design, the Nike Element React 87 has a deconstructed vibe featuring, among other things, a translucent upper. So you can't see through it. So you have to really think about what socks you will wear when you wear this sneaker because people will see what socks you are wearing. Apart from that, you have multiple elements and layers of materials. You have leather. That's the color blue material that you guys see here. That's the same leather material along the sides. You have suede. That's the black material as well as the blue material here in the middle, and as well as the suede patch here at the back. Now, as I mentioned, it does have like a deconstructed, almost off-white vibe to it, and that's why you see the stitching is exposed along the side of the sneakers, both on the lateral, the medial, and even at the back of the sneaker. It even looks like it has like some stitchings along the side, giving it that more raw vibe to it. Now, if you go inside the shoe, there is a cork insole. So here you have it. This insole is made of cork material, and you have the swoosh logo in the middle. Perhaps my only complaint with the React Element 87 is that it's not the type of sneakers that you just wear without thinking. You have to think about the socks that you will wear with this pair of kicks because it is translucent. People will see through it. So if you're a lover of printed socks that don't necessarily match the vibe or the look or the style of the Element React that you guys have, then it might not be a perfect match. So there is a chance of a hit and miss. Now, if you don't have a budget for the 87, the good news is that you can also pick up a Nike React Element 55. This one sells for a little over 8,000 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, and it is hard to get here in the Philippines. When they came out with this over at Soul Academy as well as Commonwealth, they sold out fast. Not just the people actually wanted them, but obviously a lot of resellers just swooped down and picked up as much as they can so that they could flip it and sell it for a higher price. Now, I won't talk about that in this video. That will come in a succeeding video. Watch out for that one. That will be fun. I actually did a lot of research, talked to government, talked to DTI, talked a bunch of people to see if it's even legal or not. Watch out for that video. Now, this is the React Element 87. This is actually the React Element 55. The React Element 55 is the cheaper brother, sells for a little over 6,800 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Now, this one I haven't unboxed and I haven't shown you guys yet. I did a review of the Nike React Element 55, the Hyper Jade colorway, and that one pretty much bombed because it was a bad fit. When I say bad fit, it was too small. I went true to size when I should have gotten at least half a size up or even a full size up. And that's what I did with this sneaker. This is a full size up for me. This is size 13 and this is a new colorway. Now this is a new colorway that I just saw over at I think, if I'm not mistaken, Trinoma, the mall over in Quezon City. This is what the sneaker looks like. As you guys can see, it's dominantly white and gray and with nice accents of blue along the midsole as well as the sides of the sneaker. Now, just like the Element React Element 87, it does feature the same React midsole. And the comfort, if you ask me, to be honest, if I'm being 100% honest with you guys, I can't tell the difference. There's both so cushiony. The cushioning is excellent on both. And I honestly cannot tell the difference in terms of comfort between the two. So it really boils down to a style decision on which pair you guys would want to cop. Now clearly, the Nike React Element 87 has a lot more going on with it. The materials are a little bit more premium. It does have like a cork midsole compared to like your traditional midsole here with Nike. But yeah, apart from that, it's really a decision between a translucent upper and that like super deconstructed, you know, crazy multicolor vibe with this one, or the more subtle colorways, two-tone colorways that you get with the Nike React Element 55. So ultimately, it boils down to a style choice. If you want to take the effort of thinking about what socks you want to wear and you want a louder, more multicolor version of an everyday React sneaker, then the React Element 87 is for you. The only problem again, guys, is that it's harder to get. Resellers pick them up as soon as they land, so that it drives the price up for a lot of normal people. Now, if you want the same experience, if you want the same comfort without the hassle of thinking of what socks you will wear, then you might want to check out and try the Nike React Element 55. Great thing about it is that they're cheaper too, and they're far more easier to get compared to the React Element 87. That's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit the notification bell, and again, don't forget to hit the links down below to join our giveaways. We have the giveaway for the ZX500 RM from Adidas. We also have the giveaway or the contest for the 10,000 peso outlet shopping trip. Good luck to everybody. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace. God bless.